Hi my lovely viewers, this is Aloy World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to define feature column and target columns in machine learning projects. So for this case I will open any kind of project that I have written it before. So this is the things, this is my print df, my dataset name. Here the all kinds of column here. So I want to do features explicitly selected. So features column, first of all object name, and I will define the things that 4 columns I will take, and x is my another object which is define the features column is above the things line will come here, and the target column here. So this is the thing, and this is the which one, this is the severity encoder, it's my target column. So when I define this thing, so it will work with the features column and target column. So in this way we can do this thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.